Alrighty, now that I've got all my ingredients here into my pan, I am just gonna stir this together well to combine. We are using one stick of butter. You can do salted or unsalted. 1 pack of our Jet Puff marshmallows. We've got a cup of smooth peanut butter, and we've got about 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Of course, that's optional. It just depends on how sweet you want this delicious treat to be. This is a very Midwestern take on a classic American yumminess that we all love, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. All right, now that we've got this all smooth and combined, I'm actually gonna turn my heat off. I am gonna add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There we go. And a touch of freshly ground sea salt. Let's just give that a little stir. And now we are ready for the star of our show. Y'all, I've got my Cheez-Its here. And this is a good size box. This is the family size. I'm probably gonna put about 1/2 of that in there to start. And we're gonna start folding this in. And you might think, well, that's interesting with the kind of brown sugar, peanut butter, caramel taste along with our Cheez-Its. But you know, at Christmas time, you get that popcorn that is the caramel and the cheddar, and that comes in the tin. And y'all, that originated in the Midwest, around Chicago, around Ohio, and it's a holiday favorite. Well, this is a little taste of the holidays that you can enjoy year round. We're gonna do the rest of our Cheez-Its there, because why not? This is the big family size box. And we're just gonna fold these together. And we are just about ready for our next step. We're gonna get these over to the counter. Just gonna scrape a little rest of this out with my spatula. We don't wanna leave any deliciousness behind. And now I am just going to smooth these out. If they get broken a little bit, no worries. Perfect. Wow. This is looking so good. That peanut butter with our marshmallows and brown sugar. Oh, heaven. Pure heaven. Alrighty. We're just making such a decadent treat here that I am gonna put just a few little chocolate chips right on top. We're just gonna stick right there. I got a couple minis in this bag. And I did melt up just a bit more peanut butter. And I wanna get I wanted to get a light drizzle, but you know what? Sometimes the universe has other plans and they're more delicious. Alrighty, I'm gonna put this in my fridge for about an hour to set. Alrighty, everybody, we just had this in the fridge for about an hour to everything to set. Look at how beautiful our peanut butter is looking. Those chocolate chips, we've got our marshmallow and our Cheez-Its, of course, kind of just like that best popcorn mix that you get at Christmas. Woo! I can't tell if I'm getting all the way to the bottom of this or not. This is gonna be a little bit of work to get down in here, but it's gonna be worth it. Oh yeah. Wow. Those marshmallows are thick. Check that out. All right, Marty, you get to be my guinea pig for this one.
Excellent.
Peanut butter, cheddar,
That was
sweetness.
so good. I had to bite from the back.
Y'all,
So good.
you gotta try it.